Welcome to Testronix Instruments, your trusted partner in quality assurance. We are a world-renowned manufacturers of laboratory testing equipments offering state-of-the-art tools that empower industries across the globe. We ensure every product meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. And today, we bring you a cutting-edge solution for high-temperature analysis, the Testronix Muffle Furnace. A muffle furnace is a vital tool for high-temperature testing in laboratories and industries. It creates a controlled environment to heat samples up to 1400 degrees centigrade, isolating them from the heat sources to ensure accurate results. One of its key uses is determining ash content, which is critical for quality testing. Ash content analysis, as specified in standards like ASTM D7348, reveals the mineral composition of material. This ensures product meets strict quality standards in industries ranging from medical research to manufacturing. The Testronix Muffle Furnace is engineered for precision and durability. Here's what sets it apart. Accuracy is plus minus 5 degrees centigrade with a 1 degree centigrade resolution for reliable test results. Construction, robust mild steel body, power coated for corrosion resistance. Insulation, high grade glass wool and ceramic insulation for maximum thermal efficiency. Controls, a 7-segment LED display, digital timer up to 999 hours and PID controller for easy operation. Temperature range from ambient to 900 degrees centigrade, 1200 degrees centigrade or 1400 degrees centigrade to suit diverse application. Chamber sizes, options of 4 into 4 into 9 inches, 5 into 5 into 10 inches or 6 into 6 into 12 inches. Power 20 ampere 220 volt AC for consistent performance. This furnace is a testament to Testronix's commitment to quality and innovation. Designed for ease and safety, our muffle furnace is intuitive to use even for beginners. The insulated doors and advanced control ensure safe, efficient testing every time. The Testronix Muffle Furnace is versatile, serving multiple industries, such as in medical research, analyzing ash content in pharmaceuticals and medical devices, agriculture, testing soils and plant samples for mineral content, for ash determination, ensuring quality in coal, biomass and fuels, in metal treatment, supporting heat treatment processes like tempering and sintering, in rubber and wool industries, verifying material quality for compliances. By delivering precise ash content data, our muffle furnace helps industries maintain high standards, ensure product consistency and meet regulatory requirements, boosting efficiency and trust. Testronix is your trusted partner in quality testing. We offer unmatched support. Our expert team and dedicated R&D ensures every product is tailored to your needs. Choose Testronix for reliability, innovation and excellence. Ready to elevate your testing capabilities? Contact Testronix now for a personalized quote. Let's enhance your quality testing today. The Testronix Muffle Furnace is your gateway to precise, reliable and efficient testing. Backed by your trusted manufacturers, it's ideal choice for quality assurance. Thank you for choosing Testronix as your partner in excellence. For more information, visit testronixinstruments.com today.